2 or 4 loaded struts. What's the best way to service your customers so they get the best ride and control out of their vehicle? We're going to talk about it next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Customer comes to your shop. They've now got a spring that's broken, it's rubbing on a suspension component or the tire itself. You basically have 3 options if you're going to go with a loaded strut. Option 1, you could just replace that corner, but you could be making for an uncontrollable vehicle simply because you have 2 different spring rates in the front. This can cause either a pull or issues going around corners and also lean itself in the body. Next option, install new front loaded struts. This is better than just one, but if you didn't measure the ride height in the rear, the front could be really high, the rear could be really low because those rear springs, well, they wear at the same rate as the front ones, and you may have a ride height issue. This can cause issues with the camber on the vehicle. The best option, replace all 4 units or all 4 springs. Think about this. When a vehicle rolls off an assembly line, it doesn't have 2 new springs in the front and 2 old springs in the back. It has 4 new springs designed to work together to control the vehicle. Try replacing all 4 loaded strut units and recommend this to the customer. This is the best option and the best value for the consumer. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.